Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Algebra, like and unlike terms, worksheet. So on the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebra. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses of the rap song. And on the next slide we have the worksheet, and here it is. So I'll leave that worksheet on for a little while you do it. Now you can pause it for as long as you like, and on the next slide I have all the answers. Okay, now here are the answers to this worksheet. I'll leave it on for a short while so you can check it, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And now we'll move on to the next slide. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about algebra.